So I want to look here now at a command called split. So a nice command with split is to draw the Rubik's Cube. So I'm just going to grab a center rectangle and I'm going to put a few measurements on this, say 60 by 60, and I'm going to extrude it then 60 as well. So that there is my cube. Now if I wanted to be clever here now, I could save myself a lot of time here later by filleting this to maybe 2mm, or I'll go with 2mm maybe, and if I grab all 6 surfaces here, it'll save a bit of time later on, and it's going to fillet all of them. That's a good move there. So now what I want to do here is I'm going to go space bar, get a front view. So there's a front view of it. So I want to sketch some lines here now on this surface, and I'm going to let them run out here. Now all that matters here is that's a line, and put another one, let them run out past, make sure they're horizontal, and then I'm going to put 2 vertical ones. So make sure you get that vertical symbol popping up there and there. So that's fine for them. Now I want to smart dimension them so that from the outside edge into here is 20, and then from there to the next line is 20, and then from top surface down to this line is 20, and finally from that down to here is 20. So that's like X's and O's, fox and goose grid. I'll just show it to you there now. It's drawn out in the outside surface there, but it doesn't matter. So I want to go here now to insert features, split. So that's the sketch that I want to use to split it. Say cut the part, and you're going to have to, it's a bit slow there now, but it's a nuisance. You're going to have to go along here and cut all 9 parts there. So that splits that now. It's like putting a cheese wire through a block of cheese, I suppose, or something like that. Now my next move then is I want to do 2 lines on this surface over here. So I want to draw a line on this end plane, and this is going to, you know, same thing again. Make sure you pick up the vertical on that. Another line over here. Make sure you get that vertical again. Now if you do draw it crooked, you can just click on it afterwards and pick vertical here as well. Then want to dimension this, so from that line into here we want 20, and from that line over to here we want 20, and I want to split this again. So insert features, split, and cut the bodies. And this now is a bit of a nuisance because there's no 27 bodies, I think. So once you get 7, now kind of moves them along there, then you don't have to move the cursor anymore. Okay, so I want to keep all of them. Make sure the consume cut bodies is unticked because we want to keep them, not consume them, is get rid of them. So that there now is the cube. That's all the cubes. So what I want to do here now is I'm going to just say right click, and I want to, in features, to fillet all of those bit by bit. So you'll see there now, click fillet and say OK, and bit by bit there it's going along and it's going to fillet every one of them. So you've got to do that for the entire every surface there, which all those bodies, which takes a bit. Now sometimes if you hold down the shift key, you might be able to select multiple faces and see will it fillet it. No. So I don't know if there's any good shortcut for that, but so you can see as you go along there, and in terms of putting colors on these, because I'm not going to go through the whole thing here now, it would just be too slow, and it's repetitive, but what you want to do there is you could right click the appearance of the whole part, and I'd grab over here the that's just after opening to the outside here. I gotta drag it in here. I'd grab plastic and just go low gloss black plastic for all of that, and then I would probably hide those sketches there. Right click on that to hide it, and right click on that to hide those sketches, and then I would hold on the shift key and I would try grabbing those faces there and right click the appearance of those faces, so you could make that maybe red. Now because that's looking wrong there now, because I didn't fillet these surfaces. So you can see once I fillet them, it'll look much better. I'll just do this last one here now. So what you want to do there then is just apply fillets to all of them and surfaces and different colors to all of them, and when that's completed there now, that's a really nice project. You can do it first or second years. Obviously they have to be walked through, but yeah, they love that. Beautiful project.